A claps.
You don't want to say it? We're in Puerto Rico. Sha. We just landed in Puerto Rico, y'all. It has been a time, okay? Getting here has been rough. Right now, I'm finna hang up my clothes and we're gonna go to the pool. I just took a shot, as y'all saw. My sister finna take a shot. Sister just took a shot. And we lit. I'm gonna update y'all more on like what exactly happened a little bit later. Just with like the airport, the room, all that type of stuff. But yeah, right now I'm gonna just hang my clothes up so I get in the Puerto Rico mood. And then we're gonna go to the pool and yeah, so I'll be right back. Which one's good? Y'all, it's so hot and humid here. I'm still hanging my stuff up. And I had to put my hair up because who finna be hot? So I just finished getting dressed. I just have on this black two-piece with shorts on because my brother's this cowboy hat and my shot. That's it, shot o'clock. It's shot o'clock. I can't even vlog. This is my food. My brother is in the phone. I mean, in the bathroom, on the phone, arguing with somebody. Pina colada. You don't know what he's talking about. My hair is a mess. I just woke up. We're in Puerto Rico, day 2. I'm gonna do my makeup, get dressed, and then we're gonna go get some breakfast. And then after that, we're gonna go to the Bacardi house, which I'm super excited about. We're on our way to Casa BACARDÍ in the Uber, and we're gonna have a ball.
Name me the ingredients that we have right in front of us. If you have it, you're going to say huepa. Say huepa with me. 1, 2, 3. Huepa. If you don't, raise your hand and I'll get you your ingredients, my girl. Is that a huepa? Huepa. All right. The first cocktail we're going to make is a mojito. So we're going to take one of those hypo glasses and we're going to make space for that. We're going to need the tongues, my girl. Right here. So put those up like this. Put them up like this on the glass. Because I want a sweet and sour mojito. I don't want a sweet and bitter mojito. Now use the tongs. Use the tongs for everything. Don't use your hands. We don't want to get anything dirty or anything like that. The bacteria, none of that. No. The tongs always. So we want the fruit side looking up and the peel side looking down. 2 spoons of sugar. Sweeter side. If you like it on the sweeter side, you can go ahead and add more. If you like it on the sour side, don't add as much. But everybody, look at me. So we have the lime and we have the sugar. It is time for the best part. We're gonna take those. My friends, so this part is completely optional. You don't have to do it. I like to do it. I don't know, I guess a piece of mine. I like to do it. I like to take my bar spoon and I like to slowly just swirl and mix it, but really suavecito, like slow. We don't want to break the mix, alright? We don't want to break it, so just slowly mix it around to activate all of our ingredients, alright? Just a little bit, we don't need a lot, alright? 3, 2, 1, bar spoons down. Bar spoons, y'all can actually break my glass, huh? Alright, my crew. Now, it is time to add the most important ingredient. The ice. That y'all bring like alcohol, huh? Listen, we're gonna take that ice and are we gonna right in the middle of our hands. Right here, with attitude, I like that. Alright. Now my friends, for this one, we are going to measure, alright? So we're gonna use the measure. We're gonna use the short side of the measure first, and then we're gonna use the long side. But first, in the equal side, we're gonna add pineapple juice all the way to the top, right? Pineapple juice. Then measure the short side, yeah, the small side. Now you're gonna pour that inside of your base, alright? We just need that much pineapple juice. We don't need more than that.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey y'all, so I just left lunch by myself at this place called Nectar. It's like local Puerto Rican cuisine. It was really, really good. And I still have leftovers because there's so much food they gave me. But I'm walking back to our villa now. I went by myself because my brother has found some ladies here that he's become acquainted with, and my sister was asleep, so I just went. I'm gonna go upstairs, change, and then go to the bar. So once I do that, I'll show y'all my outfit, what I got on, and then see y'all then. Okay, ready? Arriba, arriba, way. Arriba, abajo, that shit was good. Get the. Oh, 1 minute. Come on. You not putting on no shirt?
Duh. We could wrap ATVs and flip flops.
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know. I don't think so. We can try it though.
You think I need your shoes?
I really do. You could bring it over. Just bring it back. We ran through the water.
We're gonna go to do some ATVs. We're going to do ATVs. Our Uber is outside, so I have to make this very, very quick. Yeah, y'all will see. I will talk to y'all when we get there.
Rolling.
Kept it on the radio, 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad.
Going on, be loud. Puerto Rico, cold-blooded taste Puerto Rico.
Y'all ain't in Puerto Rico.
I ain't getting no money.
You know me.
my Instagram.
Oh, why it's so zoomed in? Watch out.
Okay, we finna go. Let me taste it, girl.
Take off like a
I'll do all this fancy stuff for y'all, but the other guy do it.
text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth war strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you in on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous.
Hey y'all, we just got back from the ATVs. It was literally so much fun. If you come to Puerto Rico and you want to do ATVs, I highly suggest the Carabalí Rainforest and go with, what was his name? Antonio? Huh? The ATV guy, what was his name? Andrew, but I'm talking about Antonio. Book with Andrew, cause he lit, and yeah. Right now, I'm not doing nothing. I'm finna eat, and then after I eat, we finna go to the pool, chill, and just enjoy the rest of the night for real. Tomorrow, we probably go either to Old San Juan or really take in like our last day, cause we gotta leave at like 4 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Our flight is at 7, so yeah, we still a little undecided on what we're gonna do tomorrow, but nonetheless, we're gonna take in Puerto Rico for what it has to offer. It has been great so far. So beautiful, 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 beautiful island. All the people are so nice. So yeah, Puerto Rico definitely has my heart. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later.
Motherfucker Puerto Rico, heavily bitch vacationing Chico. How to do it, cruise it. He with a fly ass bitch, taking fly ass trips, doing fly ass shit. I know you like that, nigga. Real stunning bitch, real self-made bitch, real self-paid bitch. Know you like that, nigga.
This one I bet you me, I no get time, Dada cover my face, calling me back out. Biggie man, we do get what's it going? G-Wagon, all the better. They get them right. I know me, die. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the better. They get them right away. I know me, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, I try to do I'm way. Plenty so far, baby face. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the
Bentley. She says to me, I hear pain in her voice. Then we dance underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, say I'm more. Then she put her hand around me waist. Told her no, she cried, say I'm more. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, dance in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, say I'm on. She put her hand around my waist. I told her no, she cried, say I'm on. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I'll ask you why. I said,
okay, I'm done getting dressed. Gonna go take some pictures and go to the bar, but this is from Jaded London, super cute. These sandals are my sister's, and it looks by my mama, my daddy, and Jesus.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?